Hello class, you know who I am. So now we're going to go over the design part of our lettering project, our scroll saw project for the year. So let's take a look over here at this table of everything we need. This piece of cardboard is going to represent the wood that we're going to put it on. We're not getting one this big, and we'll talk about that as we do the project. I'm going to do these types of letters. I'm going to give you these kind of letters. I have a couple of different fonts that are very big style letters, and we'll get into why that's important as we do the design. I'm going to be doing the name Nathan, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to take the name Nathan out of this pile of letters that I have on this paper and create it so we can actually put it on the wood. Okay, so I need my letters. That's the first thing I need, and you're going to need the same. You're going to need a pencil, especially with a dull lead, not really pointed because you have to trace. You need a pair of scissors. You need tape, right, and glue stick. Now some of the stuff, as you as you know, we have in the classroom, you can use it there, but you can also do this at home. Here's another super important thing you need is a piece of carbon paper. We don't use this much except for what we do on this project. It's not used at all very much in our culture because of the printers and stuff, but we do use it for this project. Very important. All right, here's a piece of wood. That's important too. Like I said, we are going to transfer it to this cardboard as if it's the wood. But the first thing you got to start with is the amount of wood I'm giving you. It can't be endless, so you have to check with me once you get your design. Sometimes we shrink it, enlarge it to create a certain size to go on wood, on the wood piece that I'm giving you. We're going to pretend that this is this piece of wood right here. So here's the part that most people misunderstand, so that's why it's important to see this part. I'm going to take the word Nathan. Here's my capital N. I have an M and an N here. I'm going to take my scissors and cut it out. Now, usually when I say this, everybody carefully cuts it out. You don't have to worry about that. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Here I am cutting through by there. Obviously, I'm wasting some paper here, but the font that I'm going to give you will be different. All right, so I'm not worried about anything accuracy. I'm just cutting out that N. There's my capital N. I'm going to set that aside for now. That's going to go somewhere on this design piece of wood. Okay, now I need an A. Here's my A. This is my lowercase set of letters. I'm going to take this out. You see why I'm showing you this. I'm not trying to be super accurate with an X-Acto knife or something. No. I'm just cutting it out rather quickly to get it cut off of this paper. There's my A. I'm going to set that aside too.